Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to delete the page in MS Word. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have already opened the MS Word and here there are two pages. Okay, and suppose if you want to delete any specific page, suppose if you want to delete the first page means what you can do is like here in the keyboard you can press Ctrl G, then here you can select page, go to this particular field, enter page number, you can forward slash and type page, then press enter, then you can close it, then in the keyboard you can press the delete button. So once you press the delete button, the particular page will be deleted. Okay, so this is how you can delete the page in MS Word. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.